Most of us wake up in bed unconsciously doing some stretch. Also, a different side of the story is about conscious stretching. It is a part of exercise that is often ignored by seasoned athletes as well as ordinary people. Eager to begin their workout, they jump right into it without properly stretching. That can lead to pain and tightness in the muscles after a workout and can even adversely affect their overall performance. While exercise is not just for working out, it also has a lot of positive benefits for us. That's why we are here to bring you some positive effects of stretching. Stretching increases your range of motion. Being able to move a joint through its full range of motion gives you more freedom of movement. That's why stretching is important. It helps improve your range of motion, which may also slow the degeneration of your joints. Stretching helps increase blood flow into your muscles. Stretching increases blood supply to your muscles and joints, which allows for greater nutrient transportation and improves the circulation of blood through your entire body. Stretching will make you have a better posture. Tight muscles can cause poor posture. Specifically, the muscles of the chest, back, both lower and upper, and hips can cause poor posture if they are tight. By doing some stretching, the muscles of the lower back, shoulders and chest helps keep your back in better alignment and improves your posture. Stretching will help relieve from stress. It can also mean your muscles are tense. That's because your muscles tend to tighten up in response to physical and emotional stress. Stretching is one of the best solutions for it. Focus on areas of your body where you tend to hold your stress, such as your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Stretching reduces the risk of being injured. The more flexible we are, the more we are less likely to get injured. By increasing the range of motion in a particular joint through stretching, you can decrease the resistance on your body's muscles during various activities. Stretching helps you to get active performance. Performing dynamic stretches prior, not just to physical activities, has been shown to help prepare your muscles for any activity. It may also help improve your performance in an athletic event or exercise. The bottom line: whether you're new to exercise or a seasoned athlete, or whoever you can benefit from a regular stretching routine. By incorporating some minutes of dynamic and static stretches into your day, you can increase your range of motion, improve your posture, and ease your mind.